Okay guys, Rombi is back to another video, and today I want to talk about smartwatches. I know what you love about your smartwatch, that you, in every time, in any moment, you can change your watch face and make your watch new, right? But you're also limited on the fact that you can't download just the watches that are on the market, and for most of them you have also to pay, right? So what if I say that you can have your new watch faces for free? Maybe I want this watch, okay? So what? I'm going to the market, I write MVMT Chrono watch, and suddenly I discovered that there are no watch faces for this watch. But I want this watch face so bad, then what? If you feel that way as well and you wanna know how to have any watch face for free, stay tuned, thumbs up and follow my indication, guys.
Okay guys, so we said that we are looking for the MVMT Chrono watch, so I'm going to Google and I'm write MVMT Chrono watch face. Okay, here, going over here. Okay, then I click on download for watchmaker. Save. Okay, now I also want to download a Daniel Wellington watch face, so I'm going to Google and Daniel Wellington watch face. Okay, so here it's the developers. Face report here, and maybe this one. Okay, download for fazer. Save. Okay, perfect. Now I download two kind of watch face. I'll show you. I'm going to explore, do a load here. As you can see, Daniel Wellington.face and MVMT Chrono.watch. So I need to program for open this kind of watch face. For the first one I need a watchmaker premium that I'll show you. Watchmaker premium here. It costs €3.99, but if you want it for free, follow the indication of my other video. I'll put the link in the description. And once that you download it, you have to open it, obviously, and click over here, select the watch, and all you have to do is go to take your watch and put Watchmaker Pro, and here you have to open this and set watch face. As you can see, it's sending the watch face. Okay, now it's set it up, as you can see. I advise you also to check over here. One moment. If you click here, request a watch face, you can download a lot of watch face and also request it, so you should check this. And anyway, for the seconds, for the Daniel Wellington, you have to go to the Play Store and search fazer here, download, install it and open it. Now you have to go over your watch and set watch fazer and set fazer as watch face. Okay, here you have to click over this little watch and go to the download. Okay, and select this one. Okay, once that you selected it, you have to open it and click over here. So as you can see, the watch face is set. Okay guys, for today is all. As you can see, it's working perfectly and it's very simple to do it. You can do it with a lot of kind of device and pretty much with all watch faces. Check Watchmaker Premium because there are a lot of free watch faces there. Thumbs up, check my other videos, subscribe if you want to stay updated, and I hope to see you at the next video, guys. Bye bye.